What's up, guys? Welcome back. This is my '05 Chevy Silverado. It's a 1500. Not sure which model it was. I think it might be an LT because it has like all the power windows and stuff. I think stock height. I do want to get like a leveling kit because the front's a little lower than the back. But I'm gonna give you guys a little walk around. And yeah, it came with these wheels. Came with this ugly license fucking gas cap that I can hardly take out. It's pretty dirty because it snowed the other day. Got my temp tags. But it's a crew cab, full, 4 doors. Sits 6 people because the front has bench seats. I'll bring you guys in there in a bit. It's a cat eye, I guess that's what they call it. I'm still learning a lot about this car, this truck actually. I want to get different wheels, better suspension, more power to the engine. It has a 5.3 or 5.3 LS. It's 4x4. Yeah, I'm gonna show you. Alright, so yeah, like I said, it has power windows and stuff. It comes with the 4-wheel drive, 4 high, 4 low, and the 2-wheel drive option. Interior is pretty mint. That's one of the reasons why I got it. Also, it drives pretty good. It just needs alignment. Power steering pump. But other than that, paint's pretty clean. I'll put some pictures. Just right now it's really dirty. But I do want to get a lot of mods for this car. It's pretty cheap. Pop that head. Engine stock. Got new belts. Before I bought it, had them change that. ACN serpentine belt. Do want to get an intake for it. I want to get that Diablo tuner. Maybe some headers or maybe turbo it. But it's all gonna take time. So yeah. Other than that, it's pretty clean. I think it has like an oil leak on the bottom from maybe the oil pan. It sucks, but I mean, it's not leaking like crazy, but it's kind of wet. So there's a lot of things I'm gonna do to it. Battery's fairly new. Yeah. Car pull is pretty nice. Might do a couple pulls for you guys. Bring you guys back to the inside. So up front, I like how it has the steering wheel controls. Bench seats, so 3 people can sit up front, 3 people in the back. I think Momo has a upgraded steering wheel that they sell, and it has all these options still. I might get it later. The car has 230,000 miles, which is not too crazy for a Chevy, and the engines just a tranny that usually you got to worry about, but they're pretty cheap. So as far as let's see, the mirror, it has the outside temperature, compass, and all that option. Got dome lights. Everything's pretty nice. It has a lot of space, so I like it. Way more space than my Pathfinder. And this stock radio. Turn the key on. Yeah, 230,001 miles. Starts up pretty good. Gas isn't too bad. And 17 miles per gallon, I think. It has it right here. AC is cold, heater's hot. Yeah, the only thing, when you buy these cars, they don't come with an AUX option. You gotta buy like the whole kit. But I was watching on YouTube, one of the guys, he had this thing, and this is the first mod I did to it. It was by the Anchor, the F0V or FOV. I have a video of it on my channel, so if you guys want to check that out. Bluetooth onto your phone, connect it to the radio station, and then it's just no static, and it connects like right away. You don't have to plug anything in. Get in your car, your phone automatically connect. The back seats, let me move off some stuff, and then I'll show you the back seats. Well, let me show you the glove box. You got this. I got this right here. It's pretty cool at Walmart. It has different lights right there. And it has like emergency blinking red lights. And it has a seatbelt cutter. And this is a glass breaker. So, just in case of an emergency. It was like $5. I think these are magnets. The only thing I don't really like about this car is the amount of cup holders it has. It has 2 right here. And we just put this bench down. Armrests. I don't know if I have any in the back. I'll double check. Oh, I got this little compartment. You put your stuff in there. Only thing, it has a crack right here. Gotta replace that. Let's go to the back. Well, the back's kind of messy because I do have kids. Just recently got the car last month, but you know how kids are. Still got my stuff. Well, and this is pretty cool. I'll just slide my snow scraper out. Look how long it is. This thing you can fold it in, but I like to have it ready just in case when it snows you're on the way to work. Just knock it off. But look how well it fits. Got my can of soda, de-icer, my air pump, basketball. We got 3 car seats in the back. We got 2 kids one. Well, all kids, but fit my daughter's booster in there. Everyone's comfortable. A lot of space. That's why I like it. I have window tints on it, but the sun still goes through because it's not that dark. But I got this right here. I'll show you guys right now. Okay. We bought these sunshades. They're really helpful and they're adjustable. And then this thing turns white when it's really hot. So, yeah. Door panel is pretty clean. I don't know why it has reflectors, but ugly wheels, but I do have decent tires. Well, I think these are Ironman all-terrain or all-country, all-terrain, same thing. Running 265 70 17s. I do like the size of the tires, but I don't know, it seems kind of small for my truck, so I might go bigger later. The bed, these I guess don't come with a lock. It's pretty dirty. I cleaned it last time, but the dealership I bought it from, they didn't really clean it out thoroughly, so there's a lot of dirt in there. Got my used tires that I got from work. But other than that, it has a lot of space, dude. Can't wait to put stuff in here. Maybe tow some stuff, go fishing. But with the whole coronavirus right now, we're like supposed to be on lockdown. So I'm just out here waiting, making videos, but staying away from people though. But yeah, the bed's pretty messed up, or like needs paint or a liner maybe. I'm still new to this truck thing, so If you guys have any suggestions, let me know. These wheels gotta go though for sure. I don't know if I want to upgrade 18s or just run a bigger tires. People run like 33-inch tires. I don't know what size these are. Frame wise, not really any rust. Stock exhaust still. I think it has a new transfer case. Door panels are pretty clean. Missing a center cap, which I don't care because they're gonna be gone soon. I want some bronze wheels. That's what I want. T37s would be nice, but for the price, nah, can't afford them. Look at these. When I got it, I was like, "What's that noise?" When I'm driving, it just makes this little clicking noise, and then it makes you think like the wheel bearing or something is bad, but it's just loose. I can probably take it off. It has like a brand new axle. On that side, or that side. It does have a block heater. It's pretty cool. Comes with fog lights. Stock headlights, they're pretty bright. They're bright enough for me right now. I don't want to spend money on it yet because, yeah, basically, currently not working. So we're trying to make this YouTube thing work while I find another job because of the stupid pandemic. Other than that, we'll probably take you guys for a drive. Probably connect the GoPro. Let's see, let's go from there. We'll just record on my camera. See how well it goes. I don't want you guys get the instant sound though, but it'll be good right there. We got a fellow Silverado owner towing something, but I think his is 2,500. They got some towing mirrors, but we'll see. Got this open road. I don't know how far it goes to, but let's try it out. First camera. It's 50. It's busted U-turn here. It's on auto four-wheel drive. That's pretty nice. Alright guys, so yeah, thanks for watching. Trying to do more videos as much as I can and give you guys some content, but that's all I have for now is my truck. Stay tuned for all the updates and stuff that I'm gonna have for it. Probably do the first or the second mod if you guys want to consider that. Just LED reverse lights. I got some right here. Gonna do another video. Some old school ones that I used to sell. and I just had leftovers. So I'm gonna try it out and see if it works or how well bright it is compared to stock. But yeah, little by little, we can just work on the truck and get everything done. So yeah, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know if you guys have any suggestions, questions, other videos you guys want me to do. And my voice is going away, but yeah, thanks for watching.